Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get the exclusive BTS message on Instagram. So first, you will need to post an Instagram story using a song from the album. I don't really want to butcher the pronunciation on it, but you're just going to pick any song from the latest BTS album, and you are going to want to post that. Um, you can choose like any different styles you want, but I just chose the vinyl one. And I just placed it and I just posted it on my story like so. And for the second one, I've done this already. I like you have to mention BTS in your profile like this. So go to direct messages and you are going to go to like the status area and you're going to mention BTS. You can also like add a BTS song instead and it still works. And that's like the second one that I've unlocked, I guess. Well, kind of the first one I've unlocked. Then for the third one, you are going to add any song from that album on your profile. So go to edit your profile here. I pressed the wrong button, sorry. Edit profile and then add music to your profile and then select any song from the album. And that is your third step to unlocking the message. And last but not least, for the last one, you will need to go to BTS's Instagram. Like I'm gonna do in a bit here. And you're going to want to like their video, their swim video. Not this one, but this one. You're going to like it. And then that's it. You're just going to press unlock. You can even post the message on your story. So once you press unlocked here, you can add to your story or you can play it. And if you post it to your story, you can like watch it again by pressing it on your Instagram story, like so. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!